Computer desks can become overwhelming with a keyboard, monitor, speakers and a large traditional PC, not to mention your secret collection of pop figures. Okay, ignore the last one, pop figures are always welcome. This is where the sleek mini PC comes in. The Beelink SER3 is the perfect low budget choice which balances productivity, gaming and entertainment in one neat device without sacrificing performance. That's right, I'm going to cover all the exciting specs in a speedy 2 minutes. Details about the products we speak about will be linked in the description. Beelink SER3 mini PC is equipped with AMD Quad-Core Ryzen 7 3750H with base clock speeds of 2.3 GHz up to 4 GHz and has 4 cores, 8 threads, and it also supports 4 MB smart cache. Stable and reliable performance, reduced latency, powerful loading and processing power for a smoother experience. The budget gaming PC is equipped with 2 dual HDMI and USB-C. It can connect to 3 monitors at the same time, which improves work efficiency. The Beelink mini PC uses Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics to support 4K at 60Hz, and you can play games like Dota 2, CSGO, LOL, and other online games. I'll pop up on the screen the amount of FPS you can get for various games on this mini PC. As you can see, with demanding titles, you're not getting as much like GTA 5 where you're getting 30 to 40 FPS, but it's looking pretty nice. On Fortnite you can still get 50 to 70 FPS, and maxing out the wattage of this mini PC will be the best way to actually maximize the FPS. As well as that, you can also expand your storage options. This is a very good budget mini PC. Prices range on Amazon between $300 and $400. This 57-watt mini PC has a built-in 16GB DDR4 RAM, 500GB of NVMe M.2 SSD. It supports expandable storage for DDR4 up to 64GB and M.2 SSD up to 2TB. Thanks to the multiple vents and cooling fan, it has efficient heat dissipation. No matter if you're in the office, study or playing games, enjoy a comfortable and quiet experience. The mini PC has a unique interface designed with 2 HDMI ports, 4 USB 3.0, 1 Type-C, 1 DC jack, 1 RJ45, and finally 1 audio jack, which is a headphone and mic port. Now that's all the specs covered. Overall, if you're like me and want to find the best value for your buck but don't want to sacrifice performance, then this PC in my opinion is in the sweet spot where you don't have to empty your wallet and still get a decent gaming rig. Just know it may not be suited to AAA demanding titles. If you want to play those games, I would recommend you check out my video on the SER5 Pro, which is better suited for those games, but if you're not playing high demanding games, then you're good. And of course, you can add additional memory and storage to upgrade its power. Link is down below if you want to check out this product. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you could tap the like button, subscribe for more concise tech in 2 minutes. If you like the SER3, then you may want to check out my video on the Beelink SER5, as it's got a heap to offer for anyone on a low to medium budget. Thanks for watching Tech in 2 minutes. Take it easy guys, until next time.